Ayan mga frennies, nabodol na naman tayo ni Shopee. Ito na ang aking parcel. So this is the BFF bundle. There is extend gel glue and long coffin soft gel tips. And here is the new product, the magic remover. And I also have the half matte medium coffin colored soft gel tips. And I also have two non-white top coat and the colored rubber base in a shade nude. And here is the pang malakasang extend gel glue. I have the 250 ml. And this is the Angel Locks kit with my name. These kits include a small UV lamp with my name, of course, so cute. And there is a dehydrator, non-acid primer, extend gel glue, and a no-wipe top coat. There's also a free nail buffer and of course there is the Angel X soft gel tips and long coffin shade. And by the way, this is the USB type charger of the small UV lamp. Disclaimer lang mga frennies, all the products that I showed in this video is not sponsored. And this is all the boodle from Angel X. I am so happy to have all of these products.